Hi guys, Internet your girl. I got Senegalese twists in my hair. I had them in maybe for 2 weeks, or going on 2 weeks this upcoming Wednesday. Okay, so I know I have told you that I had did a box braid hair styling tutorial, and I did. What's going on right now? I'm having such a hard time with the program I'm using. It's the Adobe Elements Premiere, the 11th edition, and I'm having such a hard time trying to edit this video with this program, and I am using a Windows right now, and I have used it before and it worked out well. I don't remember. That was a while back ago, so I can't remember. So anyhow, what's going on right now is the fact that it stutters real bad, so it's not allowing me to edit any parts of the video that I need to edit because it's stuttering so bad. I actually just did a tutorial on my Senegalese twist, not the Senegalese itself, but just a few hairstyles that you can obtain with your Senegalese twist. And I'm also trying to edit that with the Adobe Elements Premiere, the 11th edition, and I can't do that. So I have 2 videos for you all that I cannot edit. If you know anything about this program, please let me know. Comment down below. I really need help with this because I really feel like you'll like the tutorials, and I really want to get these up because like the box braid is almost a month old now, and yeah, so I really need to get these videos up. I really think you'll like them. So once again, if you know anything about this program for us to stuttering, why I can't, it's saying it's incompatible with I don't know, the application or sort, I don't know, something like that. I think that's what the message said. So I don't know, I'll try everything I can. Even if you know any, even with my Windows Media Player program right now, it won't let me save. So I'm having a hard time with that. It's just the programs right now, I just don't know. So if you can even suggest a program, preferably a free program right now, because I don't want to spend any more money on a program, I really would appreciate it. So don't forget to comment below, ask around, let me know. Alright, so I had to Senegalese twist my hair. The type of braiding hair I use, I know someone asked me this on my Facebook page, was the Vivica A. Fox brand. This is my first time using it, and I really like this brand compared to the other brands I have used. This is actually my second time using the doing Senegalese twists in my hair, and I really like this better. I kind of like the texture of the hair better. It comes off much silkier to me. I dip it in hot water to seem more softer, and it seems like it's easier to obtain, I guess. I don't know. So I really like this brand better. So I'm really suggesting, for me, if you can even get your hands on it, doing your box braids and even your Senegalese twist, to use this Vivica A. Fox brand. I don't know. If you got any other brands that you can suggest out there, please comment below. Because I would just hope that I could keep getting my hands on this brand. I've been wearing protective hairstyles for a while. Anyhow, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial what you can do with your Senegalese twist. If you want to see this tutorial, stay right here. Don't move. Alright, so that is the hairstyle. Thumbs up the video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Yeah, you can connect with me on all my social media outlets. Just I am the natural girl straight across. So this is the final look. I like to call this my braided bird nest updo. So yeah, thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to share it. Also, don't forget to check out IamTheNaturalKid.com, YouTube, blog, Instagram, and Facebook fan page. Yeah, comment below if you like it, and also let me know about it if you know about the program Adobe Elements Premiere 11th edition. Other than that, I'll see you soon, hopefully with the 2 tutorials. Alright, bye.